Hello fellow cosplayers, and welcome back to my next makeup tutorial. In today's look, I am doing Mother Ginger from the new Nutcracker in the Four Realms series that came out recently. I saw it. It was amazing. And like when we were like, so yeah, I went to go see the Nutcracker in the Four Realms, and then when we were with my mom and my sister, and then I went when we were going, and they were like, my sister was like, oh, you should do like a Mother Ginger tutorial, and since that was like right before Christmas, I didn't really think of that, and then I just decided, okay, I would give it a try, and I do kind of like how this thing turned out, because it looks pretty. Okay, yeah, so, as always, all the products that I use in this video will be listed in the video description below, and also, my costume, it's not the best because I didn't have like a red jacket and I didn't have time to go out and buy one. So I just threw over this hooded thing for the costume. Anyways, so yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and bye-bye. And no, wait, not bye-bye. Let's get started. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, let's get this tutorial started by putting on our damn wig cap, cause Mother Ginger has her fair ginger locks. So, and yeah, I don't have the locks that she has. So I am just putting my hair up in a wig cap for a red wig, and I am securing it with some bobby pins, because, well, yeah, you don't want it flying off, so just put it on the wig cap, stick it through like so to make sure it's properly secured. And yeah, so now I'm gonna prime my face with my NYX Photo Living primer, and I'm using that to prime my face so that the beautiness will last all night long. Next, I'm gonna conceal them underbags with my NYX Professional Highlight and Contour palette, and with a small flat brush, and I'm just doing that because Mother Ginger's eyes are not as dark as mine. Yeah. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation and a sponge, and I am using that to start out my foundation shade, and I'm putting that all over my face. Now, when I looked at the pictures for Mother Ginger, I saw that her face wasn't as white, like very block white, but she did have like a white hinge to it. So I'm gonna start out with this really pale foundation, and then I'm gonna use some white cream paint after that. But yeah, if you have so yeah. Next, I am taking my Krylon TV paint stick, and I am using that as a second layer for my foundation to make it a little bit more pale, and also to highlight a bit as well. But if you do have a pale foundation or pale concealer, that would work as well than the cream paint. It's just, this is what I had, and it's way more easier to work with because, yeah, it's a stick. And then I am just blending it in because I do not want to look like that I am Lucifer, yeah. Because, yeah, I don't want to look like Lucifer. So, yeah, just start blending it. I'm using my fingers. I know that sounds unprofessional, but I don't really have that much skill to blend it in with a brush. So yeah, just start blending, and it's much better to use cream paints as well, because water activated paints are harder to blend with and can crack as well. So that's why I'm gonna use cream paints for that. And then I am going over that entire thing with another layer of the Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. Because like I said, she is not a clown. And don't treat her like that. Like a clown either. So, yeah, just saying. Okay, so for the next step is I am taking my RCMA translucent powder, because you know that grease paint should be followed by powder as well, so that's why I was powdering it. And then I am making myself look old. So yeah, I'm taking my NYX highlighting contour palette again, and I am using that to create my wrinkle lines to age my face a bit. Now, I'm new to old age makeup, so yeah, but if you do want a video to how to do a proper old age look, then just leave it in the comments. But yeah, so just do it, and then I just blend it in like so. And then I'm doing some contouring to make my cheekbones look a little more slender, and then blending it in like so. Like so. And I am then going to take a bit more of the white cream, and I am going to put that on the contours to blend it in much more. The eyes are pretty simple. I am just taking a natural eyeshadow and patting that on my eyelids because she doesn't have that much eyeshadow on her. And then I'm taking a dark eyeshadow again, and I am using that to darken my eyebrows. Next, I am drawing on the cracks. I am taking some black body paint and I am drawing on some basic crack shapes like so. What I would highly recommend doing, if you want it to look more realistic in how it looks like in the movie, I would recommend looking up a reference photo of your character, because which way I think would be good, instead of just getting to your end and taking your pictures, but then you're looking at the other picture of the character that you're doing and you're being like, uh-oh, the cracks are not in the exact place. Now I have to redo it. So, yeah, just a heads up. Actually, I did technically made that kind of mistake. So here I am again. I am painting on the same cracks with body paint. Like so. And I am just, just applying that all over where the cracks show it. Again, look at a reference picture of Mother Ginger to do it. Yeah. For your lips, I am using this gorgeous lipstick by Essence that I just happen to have lying around, and it's the perfect shade for Mother Ginger. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, and then I am taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Beam, and I'm using that to create longer looking eyelashes. And then I am taking my beloved Wet n Wild Black Mascara, and I'm using that on my thing because I didn't really feel like putting on fake lashes, but if you want to do that, girl, then go ahead. And now you are completely done with this video. There are so many videos that I want to do dedicated to the Nutcracker in the Four Realms. Anyways, so yeah. Well, until next time, bye.